Hi, in today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to remove password from a WinRAR file. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tips like this. First, locate the file and open it. You have to know the password for the file. When you open it, then click on Tools up here. Then click on Convert to Archives. So here, you are not going to change anything here. You're just going to press on Compression. Then click on set password. So the space here, you're not going to type any password here. We are going to leave it as blank. Then click on OK. Then click on OK again. So here you're going to click on save. Then click on OK. Wait for it to convert it to archive. When finished, then click on close. So you're going to close the WinRAR page. Then you refresh your desktop. So after refreshing it, anytime you open the file, it won't require password for you to access it anymore. So guys, that's it for today's tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.